how to allow camera access and microphone access on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. On this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can allow camera and microphone access on TikTok. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. To allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone, basically when you open up the application, it will ask you for certain permissions. That includes microphone and camera as well, and you can allow to it at that time. Now if you didn't allow it and now you want to know how you can allow it, simply head over to your settings first. Once you're on the settings, you want to scroll down and head into the option apps. So once you're on the apps option here, as you can see on the screen, the next thing all you got to do is here, find the TikTok. Now you can either scroll down or you can go ahead and search it from the search bar by typing in TikTok here. So as you can see, TikTok right here. Once you find TikTok, the next step is to simply go ahead and tap on permissions. And now here under not allowed, you can see I have not allowed only location and music. If I tap on it, I'll be able to set it to allow only while using the app or ask every time. So basically, if you have not allowed camera and also microphone, so let me turn this off real quick, and you can see it'll be on the not allowed list. So all you gotta do is tap on it and allow only while using the app, and similarly for microphone, allow only while using the app. This is how you can easily allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.